I think it was YouTuber Tallboyyyy that had mentioned about some sort of tapping sound from the engine on the Buick here, and what it really is a bad exhaust manifold gasket. You're hearing basically the raw gasoline exploding coming out of the exhaust valve when it opens, and it's happening in the back here, right over here. I don't know if you can see anything, but yeah, it's not too bad on the camera. Right about here, if I start it, I can feel air, or hot air, exhaust gas, come out from right over here. And that's right where the manifold bolts up to the engine. Now, these bolts have been here for probably 50 good years. I don't know if it's ever been taken off or not, but it's bad. Let me get it started up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yes, I'm fully aware the fire alarms are going off. This happens all the time. Don't tell me about it. I know. Alright, it's about, high 40s maybe in degrees Fahrenheit. Give it 4 pumps. And we're getting oil pressure, so we're good. Now at high idle, it's loud. I love it. And you can certainly hear that bang, 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 going on. And there's actually a fine smoke in the air as well coming from back there. I guess I can take it down now. Hear that? That's where it's coming from. That's an exhaust leak on the manifold gasket. I can feel the pulsations right here. It's just warm now, but it gets hot. And maybe that would also explain the smoke that I see on restart when it's warm. I don't know. So that's going to have to be addressed. When? Well, I got to get it fixed eventually. I think I'm going to wait till the spring when there's an opportune time to get it done. And I have a shop I'm going to use, so I'm all set with that. The only problem I think that might occur after that, the car might be too quiet. Now the exhaust sounds peachy right now. That's not too bad, but we're going to lose all that noise from the front. You can also see that when I rev it, you'll get like a hammering sound. You'll hear that tapping get louder. Now we're at a nice low idle. But you can definitely hear that's exhaust gas, and it smells like exhaust right here. So definitely that's what's going on. No, she's not going to sound that way anymore. I don't know. What do you think? Glass packs? Just straight pipe it and be done? Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.